DH in the building. Bano. Jay Clark. Nas, what up? Good morning. Whose birthday is it? Amy up 1.5%. GameStop up 2%. Beyond Meat looks like it's trying to bottom a little bit. Not full bottom, but it looks like it's trying to get like a little bit of a boost. I don't know if we're gonna watch President Trump. Happy birthday, Mr. Tate. Bro, this guy's so dumb in the comments. He said I said dilution will make the stock go up. When did I ever say that, bro? Meme stocks are definitely related to crypto, bro. Anytime memes are green, crypto be green. SPY still in the bear flag. You'll probably see a breakdown, not like I said, not this week, but later next week, tomorrow, or next week. You'll probably see SPY come slightly back inside the bear flag and push up and then pull back, which we're already slightly inside the bear flag. So most likely you'll see SPY push up. You'll see SPY push up and then come back down here for a correction. Most likely something like this is what I'm thinking here. Definitely bear flag though. And we've seen this before where they've had false breaks to the downside and it doesn't break, but then it breaks later. Happy birthday, Andrew Tate. LPSN on a tear, guys. LPSN. AMC at 278. GameStop 22.95. SPY 671.50. SPY using 671.50 as support. Todd, what up? 75% dark pool. They dark pooling us. GME up 2%. Jimmy might be ready to finally push up here off of this bullish divergence. We have bullish divergence all the way up to the 4 hour. That's crazy. She really remembered that shrimp, huh? Andrew, we love you back, brother. Happy birthday, man. That was a plunge protection team, bro. I just upgraded my phone. GameStop, $23. This is good. This is good. We also have Bitcoin up slightly here today. Today's kind of boring, guys. Why does it say my connection is poor? Let's do an internet speed test. Well, I'm still running half a gig. Over half a gig. So it's gotta be something weeble. That shit don't make no sense. Happy birthday, shout out to Sir Tate. Happy birthday, shout out to Sir Tate. We got levels on the screen. All levels are right here, brother. 67138. We got 66824. We got 67224. We got them levels for you. Levels on deck. You're welcome, dude. Hopefully you have a great birthday, man. What if this is a big ass like double bottom it's forming? I think Tesla had a bad earnings, but then it came back. Yeah, Tesla had a bad earnings, but now it's coming back a little bit. That's plunge protection team for you. It's never going back to 1K though, because it had a reverse split, bro. It had a stock split. It had a stock split. It's never going back to 1,000. There was a stock split back in 2022. Yeah, I try to keep all levels for stocks on the screen. If you guys can see, you could put it in HD mode, and you'll be able to see all of these numbers on the side, and those are all levels. Gold is important levels, purple is intermediate levels, and light blue are gap fills. So anything you see with light blue is a gap fill. Anything you see with yellow is an important level. There's so many gaps on SPY, it's ridiculous. I'm gonna get rid of some of those ones that I can't verify, only on the daily time frame that I'm gonna keep. I'm sure there's some on a 4-hour time frame and stuff that I can't see, that we'll see when we get closer to them. Clean this chart up a little bit. I'll keep all these levels. GameStop's not doing bad at all, guys. GameStop's not doing bad at all. It's about to put in a new intraday high, actually. New intraday high for GameStop, guys. New intraday high for GameStop. Thank you for the 5-piece, dude. Mike, thank you for the 5-piece. Been a minute, brother. How you been? GameStop pushing up. GameStop pushing up. XRP, I've been seeing a lot of news come out about XRP, about the trading volumes going up, and maybe possible supply shock. Also, we're getting a potential XRP ETF. A lot of these ETFs are coming out. So many sell orders, dude. What the fuck? They're trying to keep XRP under 250. They're trying to keep XRP under 250 so they can accumulate underneath $2.50. I'm telling you guys. GameStop's popping off though, y'all. GameStop's popping off. I think XRP is gonna boom. I think crypto is actually gonna make another leg up. I think it's just gonna take a little bit of time. We got this Ethereum falling wedge. We got XRP looking like it might be revving up. GameStop is definitely about to play that bullish divergence, guys. 23.34. This is big, guys. Hang in there, brother. We're here near together, man. Thank you for the 5-piece. That was huge, man. That's our first super chat of the day, by the way. Can't thank you enough for that. You guys know that views don't pay that much, and I really appreciate you guys' support. Thank you. Yeah, it's Andrew Tate's birthday today. And he's about to get a green day on GameStop for his birthday. Bitcoin is also up 2.5% here. About 2.5. Ethereum is up 2.5. GameStop up 3.5% on the day, guys. That's not a bad day. What I plan to do, both memes are moving up, guys. Both memes are moving up. AMC about to make a new intraday high. GameStop. Bullish divergence. I told you guys it's ready to play out. 23.44. It's going to get that nice pop to the upside. I don't know what happened to my line, guys, but you've seen it in the other videos. I said we will start to correct up in a big way. My line, for some reason, disappeared. But if you guys look at my other videos, you'll see it. Hey, Andrew Tate, I think it's this girl's birthday, too, if you want to holler at her. Oh, rebirth vibes. I was like, go on her stream and holler at her. Be like, yo, it's my birthday, too. See, I had this line for GameStop that said we correct up after pulling back down to the gap fill. So I showed us coming down to the gap fill and then correcting up. We came down for the gap fill and now we're correcting up. I think the bullish divergence is getting ready to play out. I think the bullish divergence is getting ready to play out. We're going to correct to the upside in a big way. There's been a lot of bullish momentum building on GameStop. GME warrants are up 3%, 3.5%. If you bought warrants for under $2.80, you're going to be in the money. Got 110 in the building right now. 110 in the building. Guys, I also want to thank you. We're at 16,000. We're almost at 16,500 subscribers. We're at 16,494 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button to help me out if you haven't. We got 1.5K views on the Adam Aaron video. Thank you guys. The Adam Aaron interview. $1.2K views on the clip that says new stock and crypto outlook and prediction. GameStop's about to blast off, guys. If we break and hold 2350, it's on. Thank you guys for the new subs. 16,494, guys. Thank you so much. If you guys want to help out for free, hit that sub button. Got 122 people in the building right now. Shout out Mike R for the 5-piece, man. That's absolutely huge. Our first super chat of the day. I appreciate you. Mike R holding it down. We got Danny Lamb. Well, let's reclaim 2350 first. 2350 is the first key level. Then we go to the next key level. So 2350 is what we're looking for. Thank you for the 24 months. We have another person hitting 2 years, which is huge. Thank you, bro, for the 2 freaking years, bro. Straight OGs. Non-stop hit support. Sonny GG, Danny Lamb, and Benjamin all reaching 2 years plus. 2 years to 2 years plus support. Thank you. Let's get some hype in the chat for these guys, man. We'd never be here without them. Let me make sure I like my own stream. All right, GameStop pulling back slightly. Let me pull up the GME short shares. They're definitely expecting a rally for both AMC and GME because they loaded up on short shares. AMC 3.4 million, GME 2.1 million. AMC dark pool right now 84%, y'all, on the dark pool. Insanity. AMC still up over 2% on the day, hitting 282. New intraday high for Amy. New intraday high for Amy, 282. Thank you, Danny Lamb, for the 24 months, bro. Legend.
Another one.
AMC 280, GameStop 23.24. Want to see GameStop above 23.50 to get a nice move to the upside. Crypto also moving up. Bitcoin also moving up. This is a beautiful day. Bitcoin is up 2.5%. Ethereum's up 2.25%. If you guys want to raid Lion, that's fine. I don't have his link, though.
Watch me buy XRP.
Yeah, Beyond Meat's not looking good, man. It has support at $3 or $3. If it can hold $3, it might have a chance. GameStop bouncing, GameStop bouncing. GameStop bouncing, GameStop bouncing. Let's go. AMC holding 280. Let's go. Hopefully it does go back to $5. I know some of y'all are stuck, man. It still has that gap fill to the downside, but it's trying to hold $3 support. If it can hold $3 support, you have a chance. And then if you can get back above $4.25, you're good. But it broke the trend line, so that's never good. Institutions held it up last night, though, so they didn't let it drop. Institutions were buying. So there's a chance this thing could run back up for sure. There's definitely a chance that BYND could run back up for sure. It looks like it's rounding out. I can't wait till the weekend so I can work on my fucking class, bro. I just want to finish this class. And every time I'm talking about stuff on here, I'm like, I'm thinking stuff I want to put in there.
This could be a monster. What is this? Super fractal, 1 of 1 coming in.
Get off my fucking screen. for the weekend. LPSN is one I'm looking at. I talked about it in the Discord extensively, price targets and all that. There's 2 new plays in the signals room if you guys look at them. If you are in the Discord, check out the signals room and day trade chat for information on new plays. GameStop coming back. GameStop coming back, guys. It is not over. GameStop bullish divergence. RSI trending up. Price trending down, baby. This thing's gonna correct to the upside in a big way. I'm telling you, bro, GameStop's about to do something. Spy's trying to pump. GameStop's trying to do something here, y'all. And AMC's holding 280. AMC's holding 280. This is major.
Once you get a taste for something.
Chose my path. They found you amusing.
Yeah, if we got some type of news or something, that would be decent. GameStop coming back, y'all. Does anybody know what Trump's talking about? These guys are getting excavations to get a new ballroom in their house, bro, and we pay for it all. The government is just a leech off of us. That's what people need to realize. They just steal from us. The government doesn't create any fucking value. It doesn't produce anything. It just leeches off of its people. The less government we have, the better. I'm glad this shit shut down. Thanks, Marcus. I appreciate the info. Yeah, as soon as everybody wanted the Epstein files, Democrats and Republicans, guess what? Charlie Kirk. They gonna keep you distracted. Now they got 3-Eye Atlas, all other types of shit. Spy looks like it's gonna pump, but GameStop, man. I'm telling you, bro, GameStop about to do something dirty. GameStop 2350, GameStop 2350. If we hold 2350, we pop. If we hold 2350, we rally. RSI overbought, but if we hold 2350, we rally. Gap fills to the upside. GameStop bullish divergence. GameStop bullish divergence, y'all. Hey. Whoa. Every beat a banger. Every beat up bang. Bitcoin also moving up, guys. Bitcoin also moving up. 110,500. Rockets in the chat for GameStop. Rockets in the chat for GameStop. Rockets in the chat for AMC. Meme stocks green on the day, baby. AMC up 1.5. GameStop up 4.25. We take those. We got 129 in the building right now. 129 in the building, man. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Hit that like button. Help me run these numbers up. Help me run those numbers up.
I just inherited these two gold coin cufflinks from my great aunt, and you will not believe how much these freaking cuff...
What is this? What is this? 10 gifted! Jackson with the 10 gifted! Let's go! Shout out Jackson, Danny Lamb, Mike R. Jackson coming in clutch right now with a 10 fucking gifted. Hype in the chat. Splendid things. Splendid things. Carl Brown just received it. Captain Juan, your bruh. Kelly Boy just received a free membership from Jackson. As GameStop pops to the upside. Bro, thank you for the 10 gifted, bro. You really made my day today, for real, bro. Thank you. Thank you, dude. You honestly made my day today, bro. Thank you. When I mean that when I say that, dude. Thank you. We needed that boost to the spirit. Andrew, no! You can't be doing gifted. You can't be doing super chats on your birthday. It's your birthday. What a humble man. Bro is dropping 2 pieces on his birthday. What a humble man, dude. Happy birthday, Andrew Tate, man. I appreciate you, dog. Hopefully you have a great birthday, man. Thank you for the 2-piece. We are now at 16,495 subscribers as well. Make sure you guys join the most poppin', most lit, most active community here on YouTube. We are at 16,495. Andrew coming in with the 2! What, we're getting a little fucking hype train started here? We just got multiple 2-pieces dropped. A little bit of a hype train getting going here. What is happening? No! No!
Waiting's overrated. With TD Early Pay, get your paycheck up to 2 business days early for free.
This is insane. This is insane. This is not a drill. This is not a drill. Andrew coming in hot with the gifted. Instinctual Trades just got a free membership. Thank you guys so much. Andrew coming in with a 2-piece and a gifted. Jackson starting off the hype train with a freaking 10 gifted. He just dropped a 10 bomb. Absolute legend, bro. We needed that, bro. We needed the lift to the spirits today, man. I appreciate you guys. You guys are helping me out, man. I appreciate it. Thank you for everything, family. You should be able to hear him better now. I had it turned off, my bad. I had sound turned off by accident. Just cracked a beer. I wish I could join you. I wish I could join you, bro. Thank you for another freaking 2-piece. You're getting out of control now, bro. Wait, Mark Moore! Mark Moore! With the 2-piece? 2-piece? Hype train level 12.
Just cracked a beer, let's fucking go.
Let's go, bro! Let's fucking go! Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, join the most active community in the stock and crypto world, baby. Nobody gets it cracking like us. DZ stream, Andrew Tate birthday edition. We are now sitting at $129 people in the building. 129 people in the building. 12 brand new members, guys. 12 brand new members. How do we have 12? One. I only count 11. How do we have 12 brand new members? It's got to be lying. What up, Billy Bob on the job? If you guys want to help for free, just leave a like and a comment. GameStop pushing up, GameStop pushing up. Beyond Meat, unfortunately, pulling back underneath $3 support. SPY holding 672.24 support. SPY bearish momentum is building, but it looks like it can trend up. It's in an overall uptrend, but it might be ready to pull back a little bit here soon as we head into power hour. Bitcoin currently up 10% at 110,500. Ethereum at 3,877, up 1.25. GameStop is up 4.67% on the day at 23.54. If GameStop can hold 23.50, we could see a decent pop to the upside here. If GameStop can hold 23.50, if AMC can get back above 280, that's what we want to see. If GameStop can hold 23.50, we could see a nice pop. This could be the bullish divergence playing out. I told you guys it was building bullish momentum. We have 84 likes. 84 likes. I appreciate it. Thank you. Heading towards that 100 like goal. Bitcoin's always good. I figured they would dump shares on AMC. They have 3.4 million. They were loading up on both AMC and GameStop. They know they were about to rally. They bought shares over the last couple of days. Guys. 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 Wait, Finger just announced dilution? Finger announced dilution? It's still tracking. Still fucking tracking. Finger announced dilution, but it's still tracking. Yeah, I see it right there. It says 50 million sale agreement. It says 50 million share sale agreement right there. It says it right there. Right here, look. 5 hours ago. Guys, GameStop is doing something. GameStop is doing something. GameStop is doing something, y'all. I need everyone to hit the like button right now. We need over 100 likes so GameStop goes higher. It's up 5.25 right now. It's up 5.25, bro. If we hold 350, 2350, it's on a popping. If we hold 2350, it's on a popping. What is this strange activity? Why does XRP have this huge sell wall here, bro? They are trying to control this thing. And inside that sell wall, there's buy orders. Tell me you're trying to control an asset without telling me you're controlling an asset. GameStop. Bullish divergence. I told you it was real. We talked about this days ago. That this thing's gonna come down for those gaps, bottom out, and pop up. Gap fill, pop to the upside, baby. Gap fill, pop to the upside. We got multiple gaps to the upside as well. GameStop is officially bottoming. And you heard it here first. I think the weekly outlook and prediction, what was it? AMC and GME ready to bottom. And the markets recover, but how long? This shit was on point. And SPY is in the, it's making a rising wedge now. But it's in the bear flag. It's going to break down. This is going to be a big bull trap. Somehow it says we have 12 brand new members, but I only count 11, but shout out Andrew, shout out Mark Moore, absolute legend, Andrew Tate and Andrew T, both Andrew T's. Wow. Jackson, thank you, bro. You made my day, brother. Danny Lamb with the freaking 2-year support and the elite badge. Thank you, dude. And Mike R as well, asking about the XRP, man. I appreciate you. How's the beer going? Hearts in the chat. You know what that means. See if GameStop can hold this, man. RSI's overbought. All the way to the 15. God dang! Damn, the 30-minute, hourly. Oh, man. We're moving. What if we did just start squeezing? We're outside the bands. What if we started, like, doing a squeeze move? I mean, we got momentum. We're overbought on the 2-hour time frame, y'all. You're welcome, Cheezilla. No way. Todd. Todd coming in with a 5 gifted. What does that put us at? Todd putting us at a 5 gifted, coming in crazy, putting us at 17 brand new members today. And we're about to hit the 100 like goal.
Todd, breathe and get up. Try hard.
Bro, thank you for the 5 gifted, dude. Yeah, boy!
Mario.
Hello, Mario.
Love to see it, bro. Thank you. As GameStop makes a new intraday high, Todd just dropped a 5 gifted, putting us at a 17 brand new member day. Ladies and gentlemen, Hype Train, level 50. Thank you, guys. Absolutely huge. GameStop just made another new intraday high, 2370. 2370. GameStop just made another new intraday high, 2370. You guys, I'm so bad at trading. Keep watching the channel or join the Discord. I got a class coming out. Or just keep watching the channel, bro. I give tips and things that I know. I talk about it all the time. GameStop's moving, guys. GameStop is moving here. We held 2350. We're getting that pop to the upside that I talked about, guys. And we have a gap fill to the upside. GameStop is moving 2373 right now, guys. GameStop bullish divergence playing out. GameStop bullish divergence playing out. We talked about this. We talked about this for a long time here on GME. This bullish divergence. This bullish divergence and this pop to the upside that you're going to see on GameStop. How we're going to make a rounded bottom and rally up. We talked about this a lot. And we are now rounding out and pushing to the upside. GameStop 2370, 2380. GameStop 2380. GameStop making moves here. GameStop making moves here. We just got another new subscriber. We just got another new subscriber as well. Joining the most lit, most active community, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, support the channel for absolutely free. We just got another new subscriber at 16,496 subscribers, man. Thank you for that so much. I appreciate you for that support, bro. Thank you. Truly. Okay, GameStop is going crazy. This is not a drill. Bro, Todd, thank you for that 5 gifted, dude. Jackson, thank you for the 10 gifted, guys. Everybody who sent super chats, all of you guys, thank you. Memberships, we are now at 17 brand new members for today. 138 people in the building. GameStop pushing to the upside here. GameStop intraday high 2382. AMC sitting at 277 right now. Green on the day. GameStop green on the day. Went right up to the gap and stopped. We have a gap fill here. We have a gap fill here. And it's going to need to get filled. I'm only seeing it here on the 15 minutes, so I'm going to move this line up a little bit. We have this gap here on the 15-minute time frame. This gap's about to get filled. We're about to get some pumpage above 2350. GameStop up 5.5%. 140 in the building, 140 in the building. We're about to get 150 in this bitch. About to get 150 in this bitch. That beat's always very good. Beat's always dope. Right now, that's a gravestone doji. So we need to push higher. Gravestone doji. SPY also pushed higher. It's starting to lose momentum though. SPY's gonna break down in the close. Take profit on calls. Take profit on calls. Not financial advice. SPY's gonna break down in the close. SPY's gonna break down in the close. Whoa, Amy pulling back, Amy pulling back, Amy pulling back, Amy pulling back. They got short shares to dump. They dumped 100,000 on her. They dumped 100,000 on Amy. 100,000 dumped on Amy. They gotta keep Amy away from $3 because there's so many call options there. They got mad volume for some reason. And they're dumping on GameStop as well. They're dumping on AMC and GameStop. They're also dark pooling everything. AMC dark pool volume 81%. GME dark pool volume 70%. So they're dark pooling everything. They're dark pooling everything and they're dumping short shares. AMC short interest apparently at 10%, which is what Chart Exchange says, and 17 is what, okay, because I only believe Chart Exchange. I don't believe Fintel. Fintel's ass. See how they lie? Look, they don't even know how many shares they have. Fintel still hasn't updated. Fintel's ass, bro. They dumped 200,000 on GameStop. They dumped 200,000 on GameStop because if GameStop only has 200,000 now, yeah, or 2 million now, they dumped 200,000 on GameStop, and they just did it. The only thing about Chart Exchange, it doesn't tell you time by time like this, but this thing don't even update, bro. It's wrong about AMC right now, and it's wrong about GameStop right now. It's saying 2.1. I'm telling you right now, it's gonna update. Because I've seen this before. And it's going to say this. Because this is always right. Which means that they dumped 200,000 short shares. And it just happened. And they also dumped on Amy. And SPY is going to start pulling back. SPY's gonna start pulling back on the close. Bearish momentum building. 10-minute MACD just went red. Bearish fucking momentum building. It is officially power hour. It is officially power hour, ladies and gentlemen. It is officially power hour. It is officially power hour. Bro, they got the dark pools. They got mad tools to use, bro. They got mad tools. Amy's gonna close green, though. It's gonna bounce. Really, Amy should be all the way up here, but they knocked it down. It should be at $3 right now. But if GameStop can start pushing up, we can start putting pressure on them from all fronts. Crypto market green. I love to see it. Love to see crypto green. I love crypto. But we got a little under an hour left, guys. A little under an hour left. RSI way overbought for GameStop. Got 130 in the building right now, y'all. 130 in the building. I think GameStop pulls back a little bit and then bounces up. That's what I think. We need to figure out who this mystery member is, though. It literally says we have 17 new members, but I count 16 gifted. Andrew did a gifted, that's 1. Todd did a gifted, that's 5. That equals 6 total. Todd did a 5 gifted, that equals 6 total. And Jackson did a 10 gifted, 16. Is YouTube lying to me, or is there a mystery member among us? The world will never know. I think GameStop pulls back down to 23.50. Watch it happen too. Bounces off 23.50 and then moves back to the upside. That's what I think happens. Watch, that's exactly what happens. I also think AMC closes green on the day, not financial advice. I think SPY pulls back into close after a pop to the upside. But I could be wrong, but I mean, I think it's gonna pop up like a higher high and then drop down. That's what I think SPY is gonna do. These are my predictions. Beyond Meat is down. It needs to hold $3. It needs to try to hold $3. It's trying to find support here, and it looks like it's building support at $3. GME warrants are up 6.5%. And GME's up 5%. Now GME warrants are up 5.5%. GME's up 5%. Splendid Diva Ape. I was pretty sure that was your second account that got the membership. GameStop is kind of looking wild. It's curling back up. It's way above its moving averages. This is kind of crazy. DZ fan for life. What up, Robert? Thank you for being a member, bro. I see the badge. Shout out to all the fucking members, dude. I try to make it so you guys can see videos early. There's also members only content. I don't know if you guys would like maybe a members only stream or something like that. Maybe, I don't know. I'm seeing lots of gold stars and platinum stars. Or these are the second level. It goes blue, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and then it has a special level beyond that that does the same thing except no blue. There's a special bronze one, a special silver one, and a special gold one, and a special platinum one, which is like 2 years. You said, GME, you dump shorts. Wait, what? I might have said something crazy. I don't know. All I know is GameStop looks like it's coming back up. But they did dump short shares on GameStop. They did dump short shares on GameStop and AMC. I think AMC closes green, and I think GameStop might... GameStop's looking kind of crazy here, guys. Like, it might just keep going. I don't know, man. What if it just starts running like BYND? BYND had more short interest than GameStop has. BYND short interest was wild. Max Payne is $2, by the way. Yeah, 63% short. So I'm telling you, some of that's gonna change. Shorts got squeezed. It was 63% short, y'all. Idiots. Anytime retail sees something like that, they can squeeze them. If anything over 50% short interest is just absolutely absurd. Even 30% short interest is just absurd. But 50 plus? 62%? That, bro, only 40% of the float was left. Less. This is crazy. If more than half the float is short, that is just ridiculousness. And that's pure greed at that point on the short end, and they deserve to get squeezed. That was actually a short squeeze, like, just to look at the numbers, because anything over half of a float being short is just absolute absurdity and showing greed on the shorts part. Look at this candle on GameStop. Look at this fucking candle. Look at this God candle on GameStop. This large, girthy candle. I'm sorry, guys. I am sorry. I do apologize about that. Spy tracking. Well, it just kind of reminds me of my candle, so. All right, I'm done. I'm banned. I just got banned. I'm banned. BYND isn't finished yet. I'll let you know, bro, but if you don't get back above $3, bro, I'm telling you right now, it's coming down for the gap fill first. I promise you that, dude. I'm not even trying to be mean or arrogant or anything like that, but look, if you lose $3, BYND is going to go like this. Gap fill, and it might be over, or it might come back up. But, I mean, listen, BYND's not looking good right now. You got MACD red on the 4 hour, MACD red on the 2 hour, MACD red on the hourly, and you're rejecting from key levels. You rejected from 4 and you rejected from 3, and these are also psychological levels as well. So if you guys don't want to hold the bag, if you're still up, take profits. If you can come back later, you know what I mean, come back later. You feel me? All the people took money from BYND and bought GameStop, it looks like today.
Huh?
Wait, are you guys hearing an echo? I feel like something's playing in the background. Dude, what the hell am I hearing? All right, we got 150 in the fucking building. We got 150 in the building, y'all. This is legendary. We also officially got over 100 likes. We are now officially over 100 likes. Thank you. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you guys for 16,496 subscribers. Thank you guys for 17 brand new members. Thank you guys for super chats. It is Andrew Tate's birthday. Happy birthday, Andrew Tate. Shout out Todd. Shout out Mark Moore. Andrew T. Andrew Tate. Jackson 10. Danny Lamb. Mike R. Thank you guys for the support. Homie said he's cracking a beer. He's getting it popping. It's lit. GameStop, new intraday high. Whoa. This is super. This is super. This is super. Andrew with the number 3 crown, holding it down. BYND announced. He told us about BYND before it popped off.
Happy birthday, Andrew Tate. God bless your gains, Rocket.
2 peas. It's me, Mario.
Hello, Mario.
Let's get some hype in the chat for this man. Let's get some hype in the chat for this man. GameStop new intraday high, 23.83. It is not over. It is not over. GameStop pushing up. It is not over. So I think AMC closes green. We could dump it, but I think AMC closes green, and I think GameStop's looking a little froggy here. It might leap. SPY pulling back in the close as expected. SPY pulling back in the close as expected. Take profit on calls. Take profit on calls. Still don't know who the mystery. Still don't know who the mystery member is. 150 in the building. GameStop's about to get a golden cross on the 15-minute time frame, and has a golden cross on the 10-minute time frame. AMC also pushed up to 276, so it's trying to bottom and push up, closing green on the day. If there's new Pokemon cards, that means GameStop's gonna do good. GameStop says they can't keep product on the shelf. Wally, what's good with you, bro? We have a lot of people coming in, a lot of people commenting. Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Thank you. Hope people didn't fall for Beyond Meat pump and dump. Some people did get stuck, but some people made a lot of money. But that's how pump and dumps go. That's how pump and dumps go, man. It is a gap fill all the way back down into the cents. It is a gap fill down here at $1, like 80 to $1.50, and then it has a gap fill down here in the cents range. So it's gonna come fill those gaps. It's gonna come fill those gaps for sure. But as long as you traded it and you didn't hold it, and as long as you got in and out, you made money. You could have bought several days after the pump started and still made money. Because it ran for like 4 days. You could have bought here and made money. You could have bought here as it started moving up. You could have bought here, anywhere here and made money, and anywhere here and made money, and sold here. So just in a day or two, you could have made a good bit. In one day, you could have bought here and then sold in the morning for 200% gains. Over 200% gains in just one single day. Bro, I should have just bought like 10 bands worth real quick. What the fuck? I should have just said fuck it and risked it all. Man, I should have bought like at least 5K worth, bro, and just risked it all. And then as soon as I seen it run up in after hours, I would have sold right in the fucking morning. If I bought here, anywhere here during the day, and I seen it run up like this, as soon as the market opened, I'm dumping my whole position. As soon as I see it run up like this in after hours, I'm dumping my whole position. As soon as market opens, I'm dumping that shit. Next one. I'll catch the next one, bro. I'll just put like 1,000 in. That way I'm not stressing out. I'll just put like a band in. That way I'm not worried. I could have made, a quick 200% in a day, man. 1 day. 200% in 1 day. That's a good day, man. Overnight, I could have made 200%. Overnight, I buy the position, I go to sleep, I wake up, I made 200%. That's a good night's sleep. That's a very good night's sleep. I don't know if you guys ever experienced anything like that. I have with AMC. I have with AMC and GameStop. I have with some cryptos. You go to sleep and you wake up and you're like, what? It's a good feeling, man. It's a good feeling. Next time, no. I didn't touch it because I was like, this thing's too risky. Once I seen it above my price targets of $4, which I knew was realistic, I was like, okay, this thing's out of control. And then I started seeing people talk about $10 and $20. And I'm like, oh, it's the top. It's the top. As soon as you start seeing people talk about crazy ass price targets and shit like that, you know it's the top. I was like, yeah, this is the top, bro. And I just felt so bad inside because I knew those people bought high. And I'm like, fuck, dude. These are people in my Discord and shit, man. I'm like, oh my God, no. There's always more opportunities. We're going to experience it. We're going to make 200% in one single night. The thing is, people gotta realize is if you want a lot of money, you gotta start putting in a lot of money, bro. You gotta risk. You gotta risk more. If you guys want to see crazy digits, then you gotta put in more money. People try to put in like $100 or $500 and then try to turn that into like 10,000, and that's. I'm not saying it's impossible, but that's really hard to do. That's not an easy thing to do. You're not just going to be able to turn $500 into $10,000 like that, bro. If you want to start seeing crazy numbers, you got to start risking at the very minimum, realistically, it's like if you're playing around like $100, right? If you're just joking around or something like that, or 500. But at the minimum, if you want to see like actual bread, you need at least $1,000 to put in the trade if you want to see something, you know what I mean? And even $1,000 ain't gonna get you like, it's not gonna get you crazy gains. So people gotta realize it's a grind over time, man. Stop thinking quick money and start thinking long term. Stop thinking about, oh, I need this now, and start thinking about, how about I make 10% a day? 10% a day over a year's time, that's going to add up to an exponential amount of money. Shoot for lower numbers, but more consistent. Don't shoot for moonshots. Don't look for the craziest moonshot. Those will come. If you're in the game and you're playing stocks and crypto, you will find moonshots and stuff like that. But let those come when those come. Let those come when those come, and then until then, stack your bread with small plays, making small moves over time. Just build your portfolio up. Just build your portfolio up over time, because I'm telling you, man, if you get a consistent 5-10%, which is realistic, over time, bro, if you look at that at the end of the year, and not that you're going to be able to get it every single day, and not that you're going to win every single trade, but by the end of the year, if you're hitting more than you're losing, That all those winners will add up, and you'll look at your portfolio and you'll be like, damn. Then it will be a large amount of money that means something to you. But you always got to look at it as perspective on percentage gains. Don't look at it as dollar amounts. If you're up 50 to 100%, you should be nervous. And if you're up 50 or 100% and it's not enough money for you, then you need to risk more. But you got to know, only you can know how much you should be risking. If you only got $500 to your name, then you shouldn't be risking $500. If you have $500 saved, because what happens when an emergency comes and you ain't got no bread, and now you're looking at your assets and it's not time to sell. So that's where the major thing where a lot of people mess up in this game is you only risk the money you're willing to lose. Not that this is gambling. Some people will say this is gambling. It's not gambling because you can get a statistical advantage by looking at charts and information, and you can be accurate a huge majority of the time. But you have to think of it like gambling, like, hey, I could put this money in the machine and nothing come back out, right? So only risk money that you're willing to lose. So SPY's pulling back in the close exactly as expected, guys. We told you guys this would be popping off here, that SPY would be pulling back in the close. Let's see if it does affect GameStop. GameStop kind of drawing down a little bit as well. RSI is extremely overbought. As long as we close above 2350, that's extremely bullish. We'll probably see a continuation tomorrow. Especially if we close above 2350. Yeah, 2,000% is insane. AMC, we want to see hold 275 if possible, but they got shares. They got shares. No, negative on strike. All right, we got 20 minutes remaining. 20 minutes remaining, guys. 20 minutes remaining. Yeah, bro, they shorted a ridiculous amount. SPY pulling back in the close. Hopefully you guys took profit on calls. Called that. Called that move. GameStop still looking particularly bullish.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
GameStop looking particularly bullish here. Amy's been having the most ridiculous volume ever, bro. I don't even know how this shit's going down. That's why they have to dark pool everything. This shit is... Amy is crazy, bro. This shit is fucking wild anymore. I don't know, man. I'm telling you, though, one day it could just fucking... As long as we don't get the dilution. Some idiot in the comments, bro, said I said dilution's gonna make the stock go up. You guys know me. When the fuck would I ever say some dumb shit like that? That's why when I see people say comments like that, I know they don't even watch my channel. No, Amy can run randomly, bro, but we can't get the dilution. Like, this was not supposed to happen, I'm telling you, bro. This day right here, when Amy just took off, this wasn't supposed to happen. That's why they knocked it back down to baseline. Like, Amy can just start running randomly. I don't know if you guys were around in, like, 2023, where Amy just ran 100% after hours just randomly. And then 2024, it also happened. Like, it can happen any second. No warning, just happen. But you have to, I mean, I would not keep buying AMC. I'm not telling anyone to do that. I have my AMC shares. Everybody's got their own shit going on. I can't tell you guys what to fucking do. I have my AMC shares. I've had them for a long time because I got them way back after the squeeze. I bought more because I was like, fuck it. I made a bunch of money. I'm just gonna buy more. I'm just gonna buy more AMC shares. And now I have put a little bit more money in after that, but it's money I don't care about. It's money that I'm not afraid to lose. It's just a couple bucks, you know what I mean? Because AMC shares are $2.70. If you have like fucking $10, you can buy a bunch of them. 20, 50 bucks, you could buy a bunch of shares. So there was a couple times where, like, as it was coming down, I would buy a couple shares to bring my average down. So if it does squeeze, my average is low enough that I'll see profit. That's what I did. I have shares that I've gotten from before. They went through the reverse split and all that bullshit, so I averaged them down. I also started a new account and bought some shares. But other than that, man, I'm just rocking with it, bro. I got GameStop shares. I got GameStop warrants. I got AMC shares on 3 different accounts. I got GameStop shares on 3 different accounts. Thanks, Chris. Yeah, we'll check it.
100 points fire key. Can you look at plug, brother?
Hopefully it didn't, like... Do a reverse split or some shit, or sales like finger. Oh, this is, oh, it's almost done bottoming, but you're gonna see a little bit more downside. It's almost done bottoming, but you're gonna see a little bit more downside. So it's probably gonna come down to like 256, 277 maybe again. It's gonna pull back. It's gonna pull back and then should correct back up. That falling wedge was nasty. That falling wedge was disgusting. We called this one out in the Discord as well. Yeah, so it's almost bottoming, but it's not done yet. You're gonna see a little bit more downside. AMC at 273, unfortunately, right now. AMC at 273. GameStop at 2366. GameStop up 5% on the day. GameStop warrants up 4.40 at 287. GameStop's curling up here a little bit. Bro, thank you for the 19 months, bro. They're dark pooling the shit out of Amy. It's ridiculous, bro. Plug. We have about 11 minutes remaining. 11 minutes remaining. Bro, XRP and ADA got hit during that crash, bro. No way, bro. Thank you, dude. The 5-piece, though? Thank you. Bro, thank you for the 5-piece, bro.
Appreciated. Rocket, 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 rocket,
Yeah,
rocket,
expect
rocket,
a little bit more
rocket, rocket,
downside than a
rocket,
bottom
rocket,
now.
rocket.
RSI is getting pretty low on that bitch, so you should be straight. You're not done yet, because I see it rejecting from the level it's at. A little bit more downside. It had that huge rally, dude. That rally was stupid. We called that out. We called that play out before it rallied. GameStop looking beautiful today. This is a beautiful day. You have this just upwards trend line. Then you hit the trend line and just go parabolic. You can't ask for anything more than that. Unless you want a short squeeze. But those come every once in a while. So you can't just get those all the time. This is a beautiful move for today. This overall uptrend to just parabolic push right here. Look at these fucking candles that we got, baby. Look at this. Look at this fucking candle. And look at the daily candle. It's a beast of a candle. That's a beast of a fucking candle. It's a nice beastie candle right here. Nice little bullish fucking candle on GameStop. Bullish divergence playing out. Bullish divergence playing out. RSI trending up. Price trending down. Shit gonna flatten out and correct up in a big way. What did I say? It's happening. LUMN starting to go. 5 pieces, massive, dude. Thank you. We got 8 minutes remaining. 8 minutes remaining. Thank you, Chris, Andrew T, Andrew Tate, Todd, Mark Moore, Jackson, Danny Lamb, and Mike. Mike, Andrews, multiple Andrew T's. We got multiple Andrew T's, multiple Mikes, Marks. Shit's gone crazy. SPY definitely pulling back in the close exactly as predicted. Hopefully you took profit on fucking calls. Hopefully you took profit on those calls. SPY dumping into close as predicted. SPY dumping into close as predicted. I bet you the bands got tight right around here. Watch this. Watch this. I don't even know that for sure, but watch. The bands were probably tight right around this area. Well, let's see. Oh my God. Look, the bands got tight right around that fucking area. I can tell you what's... I'm advancing. I can tell you what the indicator is going to look like before I even put the indicator on. I was like, the bands are going to be tight right around this area. Put the bands on. Literally, they tighten up right where I said. Woo! I am the Bollinger Bands. Whoa, hold up. GME bands getting tight as well. What the fuck? We could see something here after hours, maybe. I'm telling you guys, GME is winding up for a move. Dan, what up? AMC, pop in the close to get a green. Pop in the close to get a green, buddy. Pop in the close to get a green. Yeah, pop in the close to get a green, Amy. Close green on the day. GME warrants at 290. GME warrants at 290. Did you take profit on calls? Let me know in the comments down below. Did you take profit on calls? Let me know in the comments down below. Did you take profit on SPY calls? Guys, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. If you want to support the channel for absolutely free, hit that like button and subscribe. We got 142 people in the building, almost 125 likes. Hit that like button, run them numbers up. All right, Bitcoin pulling back slightly. Still 110,300. Ethereum 3,856. Both still green on the day. Cardano ADA up 2.88 right now. Crypto is moving. Amy looks like it's going to try to get a pop. Maybe try to close green. They're pushing it down in the close right now. And if it doesn't pop in the close, it will pop after hours. They're manipulating it right now. Two minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. Two minutes remaining. 2 minutes remaining. KITT. All right, hold on. Okay, market is closed, market is closed, market is closed, market is closed, market is closed. GameStop closing at 23.65. AMC closing at 2.72. GameStop warrants 2.88. SPY dumping in the close as expected, 671.66. Bitcoin at 110,180. And Ethereum at 3,856. XRP current price $2.40. Thank you guys for the support today, man. I appreciate y'all. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe on the way out. Hit that like button and subscribe on the way out. RSI oversold on the daily, bro. This could be a good buy low. This could be a good buy low. There's also a gap fill up here, dude. You see the gap? So now you have price targets. Potential price targets, because that's really high. That would be a massive, like 400% gain. But yeah, you do have this gap fill here. And you have this thing's beat down. So this could definitely be a good buy low, sell high for sure. FNGR is up 2% on the day. You want to do it while it's in this dip right now. You want to buy while it's in this dip, not financial advice. RSI oversold hourly time frame, 2-hour time frame, and 4-hour time frame, and daily time frame. That's when you want to buy. Guys, this was your daily outlook and prediction on. No, this was your live stream for the day, man. I appreciate you guys. 17 brand new members. Really appreciate that, man. We needed it. We needed it, man. We needed a lift to the spirits. Not that we needed the money. We needed a lift to the spirits. And that helped. 122 likes. We will hit 125. 17 brand new members. And 1,000 views. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you guys tune in tonight for a video around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And as always, family, make sure you have fun. You stay safe. Make money. Peace out, y'all. You're welcome, bro. I told you AMC would pop after hours. What if it started running though?
JK, really?
Once again, thank you, Andrew, Chris, Todd, Mark Moore, Andrew Tate, Jackson, Danny Lamb, and Mike R. Thank you guys. Mark and Mike. That's a good buy low, bro. It's a good buy low. Buy low, sell high, and you have gap fills. I showed you the gap fills. So that is another potential banger, dude. The KITT, another potential banger. You want to get it while the RSI is low, though. Secure the bag. Always. Always secure the bag. A like will suffice, brother. Today, I just needed my spirits lifted, so when the hype train started, it helped. Beyond Meat's up a little bit in after hours. All right, guys, I'm out. I'll see you all in the next one.